Hello students, today I am going to explain you all the sum of common size statement profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 18 and 2019. You all can see the format is the format that have been sent to you in the Excel sheet when we were discussing this sum during normal class. The columns are particulars, note number, then absolute amount columns. In the absolute amount columns, we'll be writing the figures which is given in the question, and we should be writing the figure of 2018 first and 2019 later. Then we have the percentage of revenue from operation, again for 2018 first and 2019 later. Now, what do we exactly write in the percentage of revenue from operation column will be explained to you. Just try to follow. It's very simple. We'll take the year 2018 first, and you all can see revenue from operation in the year 2018 is 15 lakhs, and in the percentage of RFO column what you have to write is this particular figure as a percentage of revenue from operation itself. So is 15 lakh divided by 15 lakh into 100 gives you 100, that is 100%. So which you write in the 2018 column. Then the other figure is other income, which is 15,000. So 15,000 by 15 lakh into 100 gives you 1%. You write it corresponding to the percentage of RFO column. Then you have total revenue 15 lakh 15,000 by 15 lakh into 100, that gives you 101%, which you write over there. Subsequently all the figures will be written in the column against the corresponding year. Same will be repeated for 31/3/2019 also. So it's 18 lakh 1,000 by 18 lakh 1,000 into 100 is 100%. Then 20,000 by 18 lakh 1,000 into 100 is 1.11%, and so on till the end is what you have to go on doing it. You all can see that in the first two column is actually nothing but just copying the question. All that you have to take care is the previous year comes first and the current year comes later. So this is how we do common size statement of profit and loss. When you people are attempting common size balance sheet, just keep in mind that is the same thing that you have to do, but only in balance sheet all the figures will be represented as a total of the asset side or the liability side, means basically as a total of percentage as a total of the balance sheet. That's it. This is what we do while making common size statements. In subsequent videos I will be explaining you the remaining sums. Today I am sending as assignment some cash flow questions. Try to attempt those, and this particular sheet of common size statement profit and loss has been solved to you and sent separately. So just try to follow, students. Thank you.